Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can redeem your gift card in Roblox. First of all, you're going to have to launch your Roblox application and get logged into your account. Select More section on your bottom right hand side. In here, go for Help and Safety. Select Help. After a couple of seconds, it will open a site-like interface in your page. Select Search Our Articles and simply type in Redeem. And then search again. Now as you do that, it will say how to redeem and spend your gift card. Go ahead and tap on that link. Now tap on that red icon. And make sure that you are logged into your account. Here simply type in your code. Make sure that you're typing the code correctly according to what you see in your gift card. Then select redeem. And just like so, if it's redeemable, you will be able to redeem it. Thank you for watching.